Hello everyone. Walking into the factory that runs 24 by 7 but with hardly any human pressure on the floor. Machines are not only assembling products, they are analyzing data, adjusting production in real time, communicating with each other, and learning how to improve. This is not the future anymore, it's already happening. Welcome to the age of configuring, where artificial intelligence breeds cognitive abilities into machine systems and infrastructure. Today on the Smart Industry Talk, we are exploring how this powerful force of one of the Kevin Skelly's 12 technical inevitabilities is transforming manufacturing from predictive analytics to robotics. AI is changing how factories operate, how people work, and how products are made. I am Sushmita Sai, your host for today's discussion. I will be guiding your conversation. We break down what cognifying really means in the context of manufacturing and what is meant for our future. Let me quickly introduce our team members and their roles in the podcast. Anusha will guide us through the technological backbone, how AI has been embedded into machines and systems. Abdullah will take us into the realm of data and predictive analysis, how insights from data are reshaping operations. Ganesh will highlight the human factor, what this shift means for workers and factory dynamics. Venkata will wrap up things from the sustainable angel, how configuring is pushing the green transformation. All right, let's get started. Anusha, let's start with you. Can you break down how AI is being integrated into manufacturing systems today?
Yeah, absolutely. When we talk about configuring manufacturing, we are referring to systems that are not just automated but intelligent. AI is embedded into robotic arms, quality control systems, and even inventory tracking. These machines don't just follow instructions, they learn, adapt, and respond to what's happening in real time. For example, AI can detect inconsistency in assembly before a uh, product reaches the end of line, or it might analyze real time demand and adjust production output accordingly. These are not pre-programmed actions, they are intelligent decisions made by machines. That's what makes this revolution so powerful.
Wow, that's impressive. Abdullah, how does this intelligence connect with data and predictive analytics?
Y- Yeah, great question. What we are seeing is that AI thrives on data. Manufacturing environments are filled with sensors monitoring temperature, pressure, vibrations, and more AI. Algorithms analyze this data continuously to predict when machine might fail or when a product defeat might occur. This allows companies to switch from reactive maintenance to predictive maintenance instead of waiting for a breakdown. They fix it before it happens. It's a massive cost saver. And in terms of quality, AI helps detect minute vibrations that humans might miss, improving consistency across batches.
So,
So,
in a way, the system that gets smarter and longer it runs, right?
exactly, it's self-learning system, and over time, it starts optimizing process automatically.
So, Ganesh, this all sounds amazing. But what does it mean for people working in these environments?
Yes, that's the critical part, Sushmita. On one hand, AI reduces the need for humans in repetitive, dangerous, or physical intensive jobs. That's a good thing, but it also raises concerns about job displacement. Many traditional manufacturing roles are becoming obsolete, and that's hard for workers who have spent decades on factory floors. However, there's another side to this. New jobs are being created. Roles like AI maintenance specialists, robotics coordinators, and digital twin engineers. The real issue is, are we reskilling fast enough? That's the real challenge.
Right, the human element can't be overlooked. Venkat, what about sustainability? How does AI help here?
Yeah, AI is a game changer for green manufacturing. First, it helps reduce waste by optimizing the use of raw materials and reducing production errors. Second, AI monitoring energy uses in real time and suggests more efficient patterns. For instance, a small system might recommend running certain missions at night, which electricity demand is lower. AI is also track carbon emissions making it easier for companies to align with environment regulations. And more interestingly, AI helps design products with circular economy principles, thinking about risks and recyclability right from the beginning.
Okay, now let's move into the challenges. Anusha, what technical hurdles are most pressing right now?
Yeah, one of the biggest challenges is legacy systems. Many factories use older machines that weren't designed to work with AI. Upgrading or replacing them is expensive and disruptive. You can't just plug in AI and expect everything to sync seamlessly. Also, there's the challenge of data integration, getting all parts of factory to communicate in real time without bottlenecks or conflicts. And next slide will take up by the Abdullah.
Well, to add that data quality is another issue. If your input data is flawed, the AI's decision will be too cleaning and organizing years of unstructured manufacturing data is a major undertaking. It's often underestimated.
Yeah,
So Ganesh will take us to the next slide here.
and from the workforce side, there's a psychological barrier. Many workers are hesitant to trust AI. They are skeptical of machine decisions and worry about being replaced. Building a culture of collaboration between humans and machine takes time and trust. Yeah, Venkat, you can continue.
Yeah, one surprise for me was just how even AI adoption is globally. While some countries are building smart factories, others are struggling to access even the basic infrastructure. If this divide is not addressed, we will see a gap in manufacturing competitiveness across regions.
Okay, now let's talk about the outcomes. Abdullah, what would you say about the biggest benefit so far?
Well, the biggest is efficiency. We have seen production cycles shortened by 30 to 40%. In some smart factories, waste has gone down. Downtime has been cut dramatically. Thanks to predictive maintenance, it's also much easier to scale up operations quickly in response to demand. So Ganesh will take us to the next slide.
Yeah. And safety is another place. Robots are handling toxic chemicals and high heat environments that were once dangerous for humans. This is a huge win for workplace health.
Okay, now
Shushmita,
what
you can.
about the downsides, Venkat?
Yeah, the first is cost. Setting up AI systems, integrating IoT sensors, and training staff. It's all add up. Smaller manufacturers may be priced out. Also, the increase in connectivity brings more cybersecurity risks. A branch in one part of the system could potentially bring down an entire plant. This is serious concern. And next slide goes to Anusha Kait.
Yeah, and we must mention unemployment automation has displaced a number of low-skilled jobs. If companies don't invest in reskilling, it could create serious social and economic challenges. And next will continue by Abdullah.
Okay, now let's close up with a round of future predictions. Anusha, you are up first.
Yeah, I believe we all see fully automation factories, machines that manage productions, logistics, and quality control with minimal human input. Humans will step in only for strategy design or ethical oversight. And next will take up by Abdullah.
Oh, yes. Data-driven decision making will expand beyond the factory floor. AI will sync with supply chains, customer feedback, and even environmental data to manage entire ecosystems hospital.
Yeah,
So the next slide, next step, Ganesh will explain it here.
yeah, the human workforce will be more hybrid, working alongside AI, wearing AR headset, and guiding collaborative robots. It won't just be labor; it will be tech-enhanced craftsmanship. Venkat, you
Yeah,
can continue.
sustainability will move to the front of manufacturing strategies. AI will help companies transition to net zero emissions, zero waste productions, and full transparency in supply chains.
Okay, today's discussion has been as rich, understanding how configuring is reshaping manufacturing. For intelligent systems and predictive data to the greener processes and evolving human roles, the transition is well underway. The future of manufacturing is not just about machines, it's about smart collaborations, continuous learning, and building systems that are not only productive but also responsible. Thank you, Anusha, Abdullah, Ganesh, and Venkat for your brilliant insights. And thank you for all the listeners for joining our Smart Industry Talk. Stay curious, stay innovative, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you all.